Welcome again to Formula 1 Maths and to past exam questions 002 for the foundation tier. We've got 3 questions to answer, so let's get started. Question 1. A. Write 8 times 10 to the power 4 as an ordinary number. B. Work out this. Give your answer in standard form. So for A, 8 times 10 to the power 4 can be written as this. 8 times 10,000, because 10 to the power 4 is the same as 10,000. And when I multiply 8 by 10,000, all I have to do is add 4 zeros to 8 to get this. So that's the answer for A. For B, it's better to rewrite this one in a different form, like this. So the division sign here has been replaced by another division sign like that. Then we can rewrite this as that. That's 3.5 over 7, and then times 10 to the power 5 over 10 to the power 8. Now we need to use the lots of indices to evaluate this. So let me bring it up. We evaluate 3.5 over 7. We're going to get a half, which is the same as 0.5. Then we need to evaluate that one using rule number 2. So we take away the powers to get 10 to the power 5 minus 8. If we evaluate that, we're going to get 0.5 times 10 to the power minus 3. This is not in standard form yet, because for standard form, the first number here must be between 1 and 10. But as you can see, 0.5 is not between 1 and 10. So we go and rewrite 0.5 itself in standard form. So 0.5 is the same as 5 times 10 to the power minus 1. So we can go and replace 0.5 with this in this answer here. So let's do that. And so that is 0.5 times the 10 to the power minus 3 here. Then again we use rule number 1 to simplify this one here. And we're going to get 5 times 10 to the power minus 4. Number 2. A. Factorize x squared plus 2x minus 24. Hence solve x squared plus 2x minus 24 equals to 0. So to factorize this one here, I need to find 2 numbers which will multiply to give me minus 24 and add to give me 2. So looking at it critically, you see that the numbers I'm looking for will be 6 and minus 4. Because 6 minus 4 is 2, and 6 times minus 4 is minus 24. So we go and factorize quadratic to get this. We put in the plus 6 and minus 4 here. And that's how to factorize that. Now for B, to solve that, we've already factorized it. So we equate that to 0 because this is the same as that which is here. So we equate that to 0 to get that. It means that this will be equal to 0 and that will be equal to 0. So we have this or that. Now we can solve for x to get x equals to minus 6 and x equals to 4. And that's the answer for question 2b. Question 3. BCD is a rectangle. So BCDE is a rectangle. ABE is an isosceles triangle, so this is an isosceles triangle. which means the base angles here are equal. So AB equals AE. Angle BAE, which is this one, is 80. Work out the size of angle X over there. So, first rule. Base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. So that means I can find this angle and this angle here, knowing that if I add them all, this plus that, I'll get 180. So all I have to do is take 80 away from 180 to get 100. Then I'll divide 100 by 2 because they're the same according to this rule here, and I'll get 50. So this angle is 50 and this angle is 50. So we can write that angle AEB. AEB is 50, as you can see. And then we know that BED is 90. BED is 90. This is 90 degrees. Now that we've established that, we need to remember that angles at a point, angles at this point here, so all the angles at this point here will add up to give you 360 degrees. So all we have to do now is to add 90 plus 50 and take it away from 360 to get angle X. So we do that, and finally we get 220 as our angle for X. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.